So this video is about find the intercept for each of the equations below. So we're not gonna do everything because there are 12 exercises. So I'm gonna do the fourth on the top and the last two on the bottom, and then you figured it out, the middle ones. Okay, let's go to number 1. Find the intercept for each of the equation below. Okay, the intercept, remember, x comma 0 is the x-intercept, and 0 comma y, that's the y-intercept. That's what you need to find. So what you do is just give 0 to x, 0 to y, find the answers, and that's it. So let's do the first one. The first one is y equal 1/2 of x plus 10. So if I give 0 to y, 0 is equal 1/2 of x plus 10. This 10 positive, go here, minus 10 times 2 minus 20. So minus 20 is equal x. So when y is 0, x is minus 20. So this is the x-intercept. Now I'm gonna find the y-intercept. To find the y-intercept, I give 0 to x. If x is 0, y equal 1/2 of times 0 plus 10. So if this is 0, 0 times 1/2, all this is 0, y equal 10. So the point will be 0, 10. So this is the x-intercept, this is the y-intercept. That's it. Very easy. Just give 0 to x, 0 to y, and find the answers, and that's it. So let's do this one. This one is number 7. This one is, if I give 0 to y, all this is 0. Minus 6 equal 3x, x equal minus 2. X equal minus 2. Okay, so minus 2 comma 0. That will be the x-intercept. Now to find the y-intercept, we give 0 to x. 0 to x, it would be 2y equals 6, because x is 0, 0 times 3 is 0. Now this one, y divided 6 divided by 2 is 3, so it will be 0 comma 3. So this is the x-intercept, this is the y-intercept. Okay, that's it. That's the only thing you have to do. Give 0 to x, give 0 to y, and that's it. Okay, let's do this one here. If I give 0 to y, these 3 multiplying x go dividing. If this is a 0, 5y, y is 0, all this is 0, x is minus 2 over 3. So the x-intercept will be minus 2 over 3 comma 0. Okay, that's it. That's the x-intercept. The y-intercept is 0 to x. All this is 0. The 2 is negative. Go here, positive 2 over 5. 0 comma 2 over 5 would be the y-intercept. 0 comma 2 over 5. Okay, that's the y-intercept for this exercise. Okay, let's do 8. Let me do it in the notebook because not too much space over here. Okay. So number 8 says 4y is equal 3x minus 12. So if we give 0 to y, this is a 0. The 12 is positive. 12 equals 3x. X equals 4. This one multiplying the x is gone down dividing is 4. So 4 comma 0. This is the x-intercept. Now the y-intercept, we give 0 to x. 3 times 0. So this is 0. So 4y it's equal minus 12. Y is equal minus 12 divided by 4 is minus 3. 0 comma minus 3. Okay, so this is the x-intercept, this is the y-intercept. So let's do the last two on the bottom. Okay, here. So now we're playing with fractions. I know some students don't like fractions, but fraction is very important, especially in construction. Everything related to construction or building something needs fractions, because fractions in the tape measurements, they work a lot with the fractions. Okay, let's do this number 6. Let me write here 1/3 of y is equal 1/2 of x minus 12. So it's the same thing, the same process. I'm gonna do it in the note here. So here the same, if I give 0 to x, if x is 0, 0 times 1/2 is 0. So you have 1/3 of y is equal minus 12. Multiplying by 3, y equal minus 36. So 0 comma minus 36 is the y-intercept, because we give 0 to x. Now we're gonna do the opposite. We're gonna give 0 to y. It will be 0 times 1/3 is 0. So you only have 0 equal 1/2 of x minus 12. So this minus 12 or here positive 12. And then this dividing go up to multiplying. 2 times 12, 24. 24 equal x, 24 comma 0. So this is the x-intercept. The y-intercept, the x-intercept for this number 6. Okay, so this is the answer for number 6. 24 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 36. Okay, we have that one. Now I'm gonna do now number 12, the last one, but I'm gonna do mental. I'm gonna explain you how it works, how to do it, the steps, but I'm just gonna write the answers. Okay, so if I give 0 to x, all this will be 0. Okay, 0 to x. So 0 to x. All this is 0. Then the 12 multiplying y goes down divided. 12 divided by 12 is 1. So y equal 1. So 0 comma 1. So that will be the y-intercept. And now the x-intercept. Let me take another color. Now if y is 0, I know it's something comma 0. Now is the x-intercept, 0 to y. This is a 0. The 12 go here minus 12. This 12 positive minus 12, and then divided by 12. That will be negative 1. So negative 1. So here is y-intercept, x-intercept. Okay. So make sure you understand. Do the other ones in the middle. A lot of exercise, but just follow the same process. Follow the same process, and you get all the answers.